Hi guys, now this roast potato salad with crispy maple bacon, a creamy dressing and lots of great herbs is going to be a game changer. You can add it for your Sunday dinner, you can have it midweek. Either way, it is absolutely delicious and it's very easy to make. So we're going to start off by slicing our potatoes in half. I have a nice selection here of rooster potatoes, but you can use any waxy potato you like. So let's slice them in half. Now, potatoes are an incredibly versatile ingredient, and if you leave the skins on, it literally takes minimal prep. There's no sodium, no fat, or no cholesterol in them, so they're an incredibly healthy ingredient. And what we're going to do with them now is roast them off in the oven and get them really nice and crispy on the outside, but really tender on the inside. But before they go in the oven, I'm going to make a garlic and herb paste that is so delicious and just amplifies the natural flavour of the potatoes. Now, for this herby paste, we need plenty of herbs. So I've got some rosemary, I've got some thyme, a little bit of lemon juice, some Dijon mustard, lots and lots of garlic. Season it up with salt and pepper and then spread it over those potatoes. Once it's nicely spread, we're going to get it into the oven and cook them off just until they're nice and roasted up. Okay, that is our potatoes all covered completely in that nice herb paste. Now, if you want to keep it even more simple, you can just throw in the herbs, throw in the garlic cloves and drizzle it with olive oil and sea salt and black pepper. But making it into a paste is going to ensure that you completely coat the potatoes and every bite has all that gorgeous flavour. Now, if the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, it's going to cook off for about 40 minutes. And what you're looking for is those skins to have gone nice and crisp and the interior to be nice and tender. So let's get roasting. Okay, potatoes are roasting off beautifully in the oven, and while they roast, let's get on with our maple bacon. Now, this is a core element to this recipe which just sets it apart and makes it even more delicious. But this little method of making bacon sweet and sticky is one that you're going to want to come back to time and time again. It's very easy to do. It's literally roasting bacon off in the oven and then brushing it with maple syrup, popping it back in until it's nice and glossy, and what you get left with is this crispy, sweet, sticky bacon that is irresistible. So let's make it. Now, this is the magic moment. Once you have glazed that bacon in all that maple syrup and it comes out of the oven, you get these gorgeous little sticky bits and really beautiful crispy bacon. So I'm going to let that cool completely. So now we've got bacon, our potatoes are roasting up in the oven, and to bring this all together, a very simple dressing. So I have some creme fraiche, some lemon juice, some garlic and some chives. I'm just going to whip that up into a really nice simple dressing that's going to add a lovely cooling effect across these potatoes and all that crispy bacon. So let's go. Right, we have good things happening. I've got the dressing done, we've got the bacon nice and crisp, and now the potatoes are out of the oven, and just have a look at them. They've gone really nice and golden. The skins have crisped up, and this is why I love using potatoes. They're just so versatile, and particularly if you pop them in the oven, they just get so much flavor. So at this point now, we're gonna build the potato onto our plate. We're gonna add in some bacon, we're gonna get that dressing on there, and lots of fresh herbs as well. So let's get cracking, and then let's get tasting. Now, it's just these tiny finishing touches that make such a big difference to a humble roast potato. But don't forget, we've got loads of flavor in there from that herb paste. Then you've got the build of the dressing, which is nice, sharp and cool. The sweetness and saltiness of the bacon. And then I've added these pickled red onions, which is a fantastic little ingredient you can pick up in most stores. And that popped over the top just adds great color and really great vibrancy to this dish. Herbs wise, I've just added a bit of dill. You could add chives, whatever you have to hand. But ultimately, you get left with a potato dish that is so easy to make, that is so full of flavor, that it is just begging to be tried. So let's dive in and give it a go. Oh. The minute it touches your tongue, it's just this kind of perfect combination of sweet, salty, sticky, and there's a little bit of spice running through it from that black pepper that's on the bacon that really adds to it. This salad makes a delicious lunch and is also perfect for storing the leftovers in a lunchbox and snacking on later. If you want the full recipe, I'll leave it over on my website. You can check it out in the box below. Leave a comment letting me know if you'll try this delicious recipe. Right, I'm off to tuck into this, so I'll see you later.